Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm thinking ham and Swiss sliders would be another good dish to bring to a holiday party. Or any party, really.
All right, let's make some ham and Swiss sliders. Today, we are making another recipe that you can bring to a party, serve at a party. Could be a holiday party. Or hey, if you're watching this sometime in the future, it could be an anything party, an anything gathering, whatever. So we're talking kind of appetizer type finger food stuff that you could bring to or serve at a party. So today we are making some really simple, another King's Hawaiian roll sliders where you could just make a dozen or you could make 2 dozen or you could make 50 dozen. It's whatever you want. But I'll show you how to make a dozen. Today we are making ham and Swiss sliders. Super easy recipe, comes together quick, people love it, it's delicious. So without further ado, let's go. First thing we're gonna do is, in a bowl, doesn't really matter, doesn't need to be a big bowl, we are just gonna make a little mayo mustard mixture. So a little bit of mayonnaise, maybe a little bit more than a little bit, some Dijon mustard, pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, granulated garlic. And then we're just gonna whisk this guy together. And there we go. Then we take a package of these guys, King's Hawaiian rolls. And then because I suck at cutting these this way, I like to just kind of break this in half and then cut each one. I'm still not good at this, but at least this helps it be a little bit better, so. Then we take a greased casserole dish, put our bottom buns in here, and just sort of put them back together. And then we're just gonna take our mayo mustard mixture here and spread it out all over this bottom bun. And we're gonna spread some on the top bun as well. Okie dokie, set that aside. Bring back our bottom buns in the casserole dish. You want about 3/4 pound of ham and about 3/4 of a pound of Swiss cheese. And then we just sort of, how do we want to do this? Let's do it like this. On this first layer, we're gonna use about half of the ham you have. You want to preheat your oven to 350. And we just want to go in with a layer of our cheese here. And more ham. And another layer of cheese. Got to pay the cheese tax. Just to even that out. Okay, we put our top bun back on. And then we want to brush the sides and the top with some melted butter here. Sprinkle the top here with a bit of everything bagel seasoning. Then we're going to cover this with foil. We're going to bake this for about 20 minutes or until the cheese melts. So check at 20. You might want to check at 15. Every oven's a little bit different. But we're going to bake this with the foil on. Once the cheese is melted, then we'll take the foil off and then we'll bake it for another 5 minutes to get a nice crispy top. Here's our little sliders right out of the oven. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut one of these guys. And let's just see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, wait, there we go, yeah. And there's our little slider. I should have cut that one a little bit better, but that's what we got going on. Just gonna let these guys cool for a little bit. And there we have our ham and Swiss sliders. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's so freaking good. If you like ham and Swiss and that Dijon and the butter top and the everything baked, it's just delicious. It's a perfect ham and Swiss slider. So if you're into ham and Swiss, it was great. I've made this for gatherings and parties before, holiday parties even, and it's always a huge crowd pleaser. It's so easy to make. I mean, you could throw this together in, except for the bake time, you know, a few minutes, and then you got, I think, I ended up doing 10 minutes uncovered, so 20 minutes covered, 10 uncovered, because after 5, the top wasn't quite, You don't need it super crispy, just a little bit crispy. Just want to give it a little bit more differential of textures, I guess the term would be. So super good, very delicious. I highly recommend trying it, especially if you got to bring something to a party because it's so easy. Or if you're serving people and you just need some appetizer, finger food type ideas, ham and Swiss sliders, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing? We got those ham and Swiss sliders you wanted. Here you go. Well, you're drooling. What do you think?
Delicious ham and melty Swiss on a Hawaiian roll. It's like heaven in a slider.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, it's another great dish that you could serve as an appetizer, bring to a party, serve at a party, bring to any sort of gathering. We're just sort of calling it holiday party stuff right now because we're in the holiday season. But hey, like I said, if you're watching this in the summertime or whatever, you know, you could bring it anywhere. Bring it to any party. It's good for any gathering. So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Really appreciate you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. We'd really appreciate that. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there is anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Happy holidays. Until next time, peace.